How to change currency in Google Play. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can change currency in Google Play. So without further delay, let's get started. But before we start, we have to understand that we can only change Google Play country once per year and your payment methods must be valid for the new country. And also you must be physically located in the new country to change currency. So to change your Google Play currency, you have to open up Google Play Store application. Once you open it up, make sure that you're logged in with your valid Google account. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. From here, head over to Settings. Once you're under Settings, head over to General. And under General, head over to Account and Device Preferences. Now under this, you have to look for Country and Profile section, and there you go. If you're eligible, you will see an option to switch to a new country. Tap on it. But if you're not eligible for that, you may not find that option. So once you tap on switch to new country, add a new payment method for the new country if prompted. After that, confirm your selection and wait for the update, which might take up to 24 hours. And now, your currency is changed. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.